Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Soundcore R50i NC earbuds to your Android device. So all you have to do is simply open the case and then remove the earbuds from the case. And then once you remove them, all you have to do is access the Bluetooth settings on your Android device. So open settings and find the Bluetooth settings and ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your device. From here, simply scroll down and tap on refresh and it will scan for any available devices. Now, as you can see, my Soundcore R50i NC earbuds have been detected. So all I have to do is simply tap on them to proceed the pairing process, and then you should see this prompt, pair with those particular earbuds. You can simply tap on pair and that should pair your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds to your Android device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.